Welcome to today's video on the benefits of hibiscus tea before bedtime. The ancient Egyptian pharaohs valued it. Modern scientists are astounded by it. This ruby-red elixir contains secrets that could transform your sleep and health overnight. Tonight, we'll reveal 11 scientifically proved benefits of hibiscus tea that work while you sleep. But there's one that's so potent, it rivals prescription drugs. From Cairo's busy souks to Mexico's peaceful communities, this crimson brew has been spoken about for centuries, and it has no adverse effects. Through wisdom, researchers are now demonstrating in laboratories around the world that this is not myth. This is rigorous science that demonstrates how a simple sleep routine can be your most impactful health decision. Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you're passionate about natural health and evidence-based wellness, you've found your tribe. For those who are new to our health journey, welcome. We're delighted to have you here as we investigate the intriguing junction between traditional wisdom and modern science. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this information speaks to you, and don't miss out on our in-depth look at natural health treatments. We'd like to know how far our fantastic community reaches. Please share your city or nation in the comments below. Now, let's look at why the hibiscus tea could be the bedtime game changer. You had no idea what you needed. Just a reminder that the information in this video is intended to be educational only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Every detail published here has been confirmed by competent researchers, and all sources are supplied in the explanation. Okay, let's get into the benefits of drinking hibiscus tea before bed. Starting with the first, better sleep quality. The first revelation stems from cutting-edge research at the Cho Institute of Oriental Medicine. Scientists studying Hibiscus cereus flower extract produced a startling discovery that could change the way we approach sleep. Animal research found that hibiscus increases REM sleep length and improves anxiolysis, resulting in a state of relaxation that promotes deeper sleep cycles. The magic is in hibiscus's unique component, SENA, which interacts with your brain's GABA receptors. Many sleep drugs target the same pathways. However, studies have shown that hibiscus extract and saponin boost the expression of cortical GABA receptor alpha 1 and CFOs in the ventral lateral pre-op nucleus, the brain's sleep center. This suggests hibiscus does more than only help you fall asleep. It improves the quality of your sleep on a neurochemical level. Unlike synthetic sleep aids, which can make you drowsy, hibiscus works with your natural circadian rhythms. Previous animal research have confirmed hibiscus sleep-promoting impact, prompting clinical trials into its potential as a functional food for improving human sleep. The lack of caffeine makes it an ideal sleep companion. You can experience its therapeutic advantages without disrupting your sleep. What's especially intriguing is the timing. When you drink hibiscus tea before bed, these beneficial elements circulate through your system during your most vulnerable sleep phases, giving ongoing support for healthy sleep. Many people report feeling a soothing wave of calm wash over them within minutes of taking it, describing it as a natural transition from daily tension to tranquil repose. The second goal is to lower blood pressure. Here is where hibiscus demonstrates its true cardiovascular prowess. A landmark study from Tufts University discovered that patients using hibiscus tea reported a remarkable 7.2-point decline in systolic blood pressure, compared to only a 1.3-point drop in the placebo group. However, greater baseline readings make the numbers even more striking. In those with the highest systolic blood pressure readings at baseline, consumption of hibiscus tea led in a 13.2-point reduction in systolic pressure, a 6.4-point decrease in diastolic pressure, and an 8.7-point drop in mean arterial pressure. These are not minor improvements. These are clinically significant alterations, comparable to pharmacological therapies. A comprehensive meta-analysis discovered that the blood pressure-lowering effects of hibiscus were indistinguishable from those of regularly used medicines. Clinical research showed that hibiscus tea could be an effective treatment for decreasing blood pressure in those with stage 1 hypertension, with results appearing within 2 to 6 weeks of frequent ingestion. The method involves hibiscus capacity to suppress angiotensin-converting enzyme, or CEA, which is a critical factor in blood pressure regulation. According to research, this effect is caused by the presence of angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitor activity in hibiscus extracts. What makes nighttime consumption so strategic? Your circulatory system undertakes critical repair processes while sleeping, and having these protecting substances in circulation gives continual nightly assistance. The third step is to improve your antioxidant protection. The third benefit portrays hibiscus as nature's best cellular protector. Within an hour of eating, the antioxidant power of your bloodstream increases as the tea's antioxidant phytonutrients are absorbed into your system. This quick absorption provides instant protection from oxidative damage when your cells want it. The majority of hibiscus contains potent antioxidants, which may help prevent damage and disease caused by free radical buildup. In studies on persons with Marfan syndrome, hibiscus extract lowered oxidative stress and improved antioxidant levels in the blood. The principal antioxidants include anthocyanins, which give hibiscus its striking red color, as well as different polyphenols. Research has found particular anthocyanins in hibiscus, including cyanide, 3-glucoside-delphin in 3-bu-bioside, and cyanide in 3-sabu-bioside. According to studies, anthocyanin is the primary source of antioxidant activity in hibiscus extract. These substances work together to neutralize free radicals, which can injure biological structures. In comparison studies of TS and antioxidant content, hibiscus tea takes the top rank due to its high amounts, even surpassing the popular green tea. Bedtime consumption is timed strategically. Because your body undergoes extensive cellular repair and renewal while sleeping, having enhanced antioxidant levels during these key hours guarantees maximum protection during the sensitive regeneration period. The fourth step is to regulate blood sugar levels. The fourth breakthrough includes hibiscus' extraordinary capacity to regulate glucose metabolism. Multiple research have demonstrated that hibiscus tea dramatically lowers fasting blood glucose levels, with a 2020 review indicating that HSABAT reduces the amount of sugar in the blood following an overnight fast. This action extends beyond simple glucose decrease to provide overall metabolic assistance. According to research, bioactive components in hibiscus, such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, and tannins, can inhibit major carbohydrate digestive enzymes such as alpha-glucoside and alpha-amylase. This inhibition reduces blood sugar spikes and promotes more consistent glucose levels throughout the night. Clinical studies have shown that hibiscus tea intake can improve glycemic and lipid profiles, blood pressure, and obesity in people with type 2 diabetes and/or hypertension. The methods go beyond enzyme inhibition to improve insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to use glucose more efficiently. Studies have demonstrated that healthy participants have a decreased postprandial insulin response 120 minutes after ingesting a polyphenol-rich hibiscus tea compared to controls. This means your body won't have to work as hard to regulate blood sugar levels. Evening ingestion is ideally aligned with your body's natural glucose metabolism cycles, providing nightly assistance for maintaining stable blood sugar levels during the complex metabolic shifts that occur while sleeping. The fifth step is to support liver cleansing. The sixth remarkable advantage focuses on hibiscus' hepatoprotective effects. A tiny 2014 research of 19 obese patients discovered that ingesting hibiscus extract for 12 weeks decreased liver steatosis, a condition defined by fat accumulation in the liver that can lead to liver failure. This improvement in liver function has cascade effects on overall health. Studies on hamsters indicated the potential liver protective benefits of hibiscus extract, with therapy resulting in lower signs of liver damage. The protective strategies comprise several pathways, including antioxidant protection and increased detoxification enzyme activity. Your liver,